I'm falling like the rain in Brisbane. She gave me that look. I said same. Butterflies distract me from the pain. She keep me alive when I'm circling the drain. Words don't mean anything. Seatbelts are like wedding rings. We could still die if we crash. Smile on my face as I dive through the glass. Cause someone made me feel like life is a blast. And everybody else only try when I ask. We vibing until the horizon is black. All the noise in my head went silent at last. Noise in my head went silent at last. I'm falling like the rain in Brisbane. She gave me that look. I said same. Butterflies distract me from the pain. She keep me alive when I'm circling the drain. I'm falling like the
I'm falling like drip drop. 1 week passed and a second like really got sick when the shit stopped. Cause I got hypnotized when I lips locked. But amidst all this I was still cautious. Cause good things, they always end. I forgot about the pain just to feel it all again. I've probably been living in this loop for a year. I still feel her next to me, even though there's no